Okay guys, real quick, on your tire pressure monitoring system, if yours has failed like ours has on this 2008 Lexus ES 350, which is very common in many of these Toyota, Lexus, and any car really, but you'll see this light right here, the little tire light, that one at the top of my fingernail that disappeared just now, but it'll be on your dash forever because one of the sensors is not working or the batteries died inside your wheels. So it's part of the stem, the inflation stem. And here's the part that I'm going to recommend that I was very successful with, saved me a ton of money. Just to give you an idea, I was at Lexus, or I called Lexus. This is a 2008 Lexus ES 350, but we have an RX 350 as well, a newer one, 2019. But if your tire pressure monitoring system is, had the light on forever, you probably want to wait till you replace your tires, just so you're not taking your wheels off multiple times. But okay, so the battery's probably dead, it's no longer working. All you got to do is, next time you're getting new tires, is buy 4 or even 5 of these, because I bought 5 as well for the spare tire, which is important. And I got them done incredibly inexpensively. I saved a fortune. Literally, Lexus, I believe, quoted me $700 to replace 4 of them, not including the spare, so add another 150 or more. So it'd been close to $1,000 for all 5. So in this case, we managed to do it for, you'll see the price of these things. They're $25 or $30 per box. You'll see a link down below. And again, I appreciate any likes and subscribes. So hopefully I'll save you a 10. We went to Mavis Tire here in the Fort Myers area, Cape Coral area, and they installed them at no charge, and they were able to program this particular brand. That's why I bought this brand, because I think they're the most commonly the Autel there, if you see that Autel brand. They're easy to program for these service centers because I think the programmer is inexpensive or something like that. I didn't know they needed to be programmed. I thought the Lexus was going to automatically pick them up. Now that may be the case, I'm not 100% sure, but as I did more digging, it did imply that they needed to be programmed. So Mavis, particularly with the new tires, included popping these valve stems in, which have the sensors, and we were good to go. Unbelievable savings though. Literally, I think I spent $130 for all 5 tires, including the spare, and I got them on the link below. So hopefully save yourself a ton of money, buy these things in advance, talk to your tire person and see if they'll pop them in and program or what have you at no charge, and you'll save a fortune. Hope that helps you guys. Appreciate any likes and subscribes. Again, links will be down below to the product, and good luck. Take care. You'll see my other Lexus videos as well, hopefully to help you out. Take care.